So today I'm so excited because we are installing our winter planters for Feed It Forward. What I love is that we're really focusing on the grocery store itself, so the Pay It Forward grocery store itself, and so the planters are speaking to it. So we're making sure that we have elements in there other than your live greens. We have elements like your fruits and cinnamon and other things that are going to speak not only to Feed It Forward, but to the food industry and to the season itself. I just want to take this opportunity to wish everybody very safe and happy holidays. And I look forward to continuing this collaboration right on through to 2020.
Hi everybody, it's amazing to see the seasons change. I'm excited to see Lechuza and Earn to Earn back here at Feed It Forward creating these incredible planters for us. I'm looking forward to this collaboration growing into 2020. Stay tuned for the next adventure. On behalf of Feed It Forward, Earn to Earn, and Lechuza, I want to say Merry Christmas. Thank you.